Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to be teaching you on how you can apply for GitHub Pro version for free. So one of my subscribers told me to make a video on how I applied for my GitHub Pro version. As you can see for my GitHub here, I'm using the Pro version, right? And if you also like me, that your GitHub Pro version got expired, you can see my got expired October 24, 2024, and I went ahead to apply for GitHub Pro version again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for GitHub Pro version to boost up your productivity. And without any further ado, let's get started. So first, what you want to do is to head over to this website, github.com/education. I'm going to also attach the link below in the description, so make sure to check it if you want to follow up. So when you come to this website, you can go ahead to read through. You can see we have 5 million students, 200k verified educators, and 2k plus educational institutions, right? So you can go ahead to read through for students, for teachers, for schools. But what I want you to do is just to go ahead to click on begin your GitHub education journey. So go ahead to click on this link. It's going to take you to this particular page here. So there are some things that you need to have before you apply for this. So you can apply as a teacher. If you want to apply as a teacher, these are the things that you need to qualify. These are the things that you need. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can apply as a student, right? Basically, what you need to qualify is to have a GitHub account, right? You must be at least 13 years old, right? You must be currently enrolled in a degree or diploma granting course of study from a recognized educational institution. And also, you must be able to provide documentation from your school which demonstrates your current student status, right? So basically for me, what I did is I had a GitHub account. Obviously, I'm more than 13 years old. And the third thing you need is a school email address, right? So you want to make sure that you have your school email address with you. And lastly, to have a valid ID card, right? So if you have these things in place, trust me, it's going to be very simple and straightforward, right? So before you begin, these are the steps that you need to do, right? So basically, I've applied. You can see you can see that you already submitted one request. That's why it's showing approved here, right? And I submitted October 26th and I got approved for this, right? So basically what you have to do is to make sure you're using a supported browser. Obviously, if you're using Chrome, you'll be good to go. And also complete your GitHub building information. So just make sure you complete your GitHub account building information. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Just click on this link to follow up. And also you have to verify your email address. So your school email address that they give you, right? You make sure you add it to your GitHub, and GitHub is going to send you an authentication number or link. You just go ahead to verify that for GitHub, right? It's pretty simple and straightforward. Also, you need to secure your GitHub account with two-factor authentication, which is very important for your account. And personalize your public GitHub profile with your photo, your name, pronoun, and more, right? So I also have a nice GitHub profile here. You guys can go ahead to fork this readme. You can go ahead to just use it if you want. It's open source, right? You can just use mine as a guide to also format your GitHub readme very well, right? So after that, the last thing you want to do is to generate a readme for your public GitHub profile. Customize it with your interest and publish it for the world to see, right? So I told you earlier on, you can check out mine. You can go ahead to edit this and fit it to your taste. You'll be good to go, guys. So after you've done all of this, you can go ahead to apply. Trust me, it's free. And basically, it takes just few days. If you are lucky, it takes less than 30 days for GitHub to reach out back to you. The process is very fast and easy, guys. Trust me. So after you have all this in place, you can go ahead to register for the benefits for GitHub Pro as a student. Trust me, it's very fast, and if you're lucky, you will get verified in less than 3 days, right? So after you've applied and you've got verified, GitHub is going to send you an email that congratulates you to welcome you to GitHub Education, right? So you can see this, hey, Eniola Ademola, welcome, thank you for joining GitHub Global Campus, right? So you can see, congratulations, you are now a GitHub Global Campus student, right? So trust me, the process is very simple and easy. Just make sure you follow the steps and procedure that is required from you. And if you have any other question or any other thing that you would need me to also answer, make sure you do well to reach out to me in the comment section or just send me a DM. I'm always here to help you guys out. So with that being said, that will be the end of this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.